Welcome to OduwaPay. First, let's register. Click Sign Up. Fill in the details for your first name, last name, email, telephone number, password, and repeat the password. Then we go to the email for verification. Click Email. And click Verify. Congratulations, your account has been verified. Then we log in.
Enter your email and password.
Then you will be asked to enter a confirmation code. We go to Email. Click Email. And look for the 6-digit confirmation code. Then we return to the application. Enter the verification code. Click OK. Then create a confirmation PIN. Create a confirmation PIN. Well, welcome to the main dashboard. After that, we click Settings. Click Log Out. Yes. Then if you forget your password, please click Forgot Password. Enter your email. Click OK. Check email. Click Email. Click Change Password. Then enter a new password. And repeat. Click Reset Password. Congratulations, you have successfully changed your password. Now we log in again.
Enter your email and password. Enter the confirmation PIN. Congratulations, you have successfully changed your password.
Well, now we go to the request menu. Here we can request funds from anyone. And also available QR code in the top right corner. Then we go to the Send menu. Here you can send funds by filling in the address, amount, and the selected currency. Or we can use the QR code on the top right to scan. Then click Send. Enter the confirmation code when registering earlier. Click OK. Then we are in the History menu. Here you can see your transaction time when receiving or sending. Then in the Settings menu. Here we can select the currency. Change password. Change the login PIN. and change confirmation PIN.